Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 6 easy ways to make money with AI. So if you're keen to learn more about the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence and how to make money with this groundbreaking technology, you're in the right place. We'll dive into the thousands of monetization opportunities that AI offers, sharing advice, strategic tips, and recommendations for websites and platforms to start your profit journey with AI. So let's get started. Number 1. Freelancing with the help of ChatGPT. Today, a few people know, but there is a wide variety of things you can do with ChatGPT to earn money as a freelancer. Some of them are writing articles for websites, creating logos for companies, translating documents, developing websites for small businesses, creating content for social media. And guess what? You can do all of these things simply by asking ChatGPT to do them for you. Do you doubt it? Then take a look. Create a blog article about how to make money with TikTok. Give me logo ideas for a market. Translate this text for me. Give me content ideas for a cooking profile. Number 2. Creating content about AI. Sharing knowledge about AI can be an excellent way to make money. Create informative and educational content about AI in different formats, such as blogs, videos, or podcasts. As the demand for AI information grows, you can monetize your content through advertisements, sponsorships, or even selling educational materials like courses. An interesting tip for this is to identify the most searched topics about AI and create a content plan that meets your audience's needs. For example, I researched and found that many people search for how to make money with ChatGPT, which is a very famous AI tool. So I created videos on the subject. You can also use the Medium platform to share articles and content about AI and other technologies and earn money in return. Number 3. Reselling products with AI technology. AI is present in a wide range of products, from smart devices to virtual assistants. An excellent opportunity is to capitalize on this trend and resell products with AI technology to make money. A tip for finding interesting products is to identify them through social media trends such as Instagram and TikTok Reels. To sell these products, I recommend using the well-known Amazon website, which offers a variety of AI-powered products for reselling, and eBay, an e-commerce platform that provides a wide range of products for resale. Number 4. AI application development. One of the most promising ways to make money using AI is to create unique apps and solutions that take advantage of the technology's capabilities. You can create AI applications to improve business efficiency, offer virtual assistants to clients, or develop intelligent chatbots. If you find this challenging, just ask ChatGPT for application ideas and then ask it to develop them. Believe it or not, it's that simple. This kind of thing is already feasible in the world in which we currently live. A tip is to identify niches or sectors that can benefit from the use of AI applications and develop tailor-made solutions, such as applications for learning new languages. I recommend using ChatGPT for research on the subject, and if you know programming, I highly recommend one of the top open-source libraries for developing artificial intelligence applications is TensorFlow. Number 5. Faceless YouTube channel. Lots of channels use this method to generate passive income. There are 4 steps to create videos for our faceless YouTube channel. 1. Create a script. 2. Create a voiceover. 3. Create a thumbnail. 4. Make a video. Let's start by writing the script. We will use ChatGPT for this step, so I'm going to ask it to write me a detailed script for a YouTube video about 20 fun and interesting facts about space. We will copy our script and paste it into a Google Doc. Now we will move on to the voiceover. We will use text-to-speech to create the audio for this video. After doing some research, the best text-to-speech software out there is Murph.ai. This is a website that makes studio-quality voiceovers in minutes. All you have to do is sign up and you would get 10 minutes of voice generation time free in your account to test voices and other features. Then there is a monthly subscription. There are more text-to-speech websites that are completely free, but they do not provide high-quality voices like Murph does. Now that we have our audio, we will move on creating the video itself. We are going to use Pictory.ai to create our videos. This is a website that will help you create videos easily. You get a free trial, and then there is a monthly subscription. To make a perfect video, you have to learn the use of Pictory.ai. But don't worry, you can learn easily in just 5 to 10 minutes by searching on YouTube. Once you have your video, we can now move on to the last step, which is to create the thumbnail for the video. We will use Canva to create an attractive thumbnail. Canva is a web-based graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide variety of visual content and thumbnails. And there we go. We have created a faceless YouTube video using AI. Building a successful YouTube channel, especially a faceless one, takes time, effort, and patience. Remember, growth might be slow initially, but with consistent and quality content, engagement with viewers, and proper optimization, you can gradually build a loyal audience over time. Number 6. Participating in AI competitions. Consider entering AI competitions if you have understanding of artificial intelligence as well as skills in data science and machine learning. Many companies and institutions host competitions to solve real-world problems using AI, offering cash prizes and recognition to winners. If you like the idea, access online platforms that host AI competitions and keep an eye on the challenges. One of these platforms is Kaggle, well known for hosting AI and data science competitions with attractive prizes, even for newcomers. Creating custom AI models. Many businesses and people require tailored solutions to fit their specific requirements. If you have skills in data science and machine learning, offer on-demand AI model development services. An interesting opportunity is to develop AI models for people with disabilities. It's a very interesting niche to work in with little competition and high demand. People like novelties and you'll quickly attract clients. You can also use the Kaggle platform. As mentioned before, it's known for hosting AI competitions, and if you can develop models to help people with disabilities, it will be a very interesting differentiating factor. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the world of AI-powered money-making strategies. We've explored how artificial intelligence can be your secret weapon in growing your wealth. Remember, the future is now, and with the right knowledge and tools, you can turn AI into your ultimate income generator. Like, subscribe, and keep your eye on the future.